Hello everybody, welcome. I'm Mr. Sauer. Today I was just going to do a quick unboxing of a new light that Mars Hydro sent me. This is supposed to be the FC4800. I'm actually replacing the light that I was currently using, which is back behind me over here, which is the Viper Spectra P4000. I've been using that in my autofire room for some time now, and so now Mars wants me to use the bar light for a little bit in there, so I'm going to put that in there for now. So I'm going to open it up here real quick, and we're going to go from there. I already pulled out some of the staples and stuff. The box and everything was in good shape. Like I said, there was no marks or nothing on it. So, inner box, we got our user manual, got some stickers, common stuff with all of them. Okay. Here we have our driver. Then you got a bag of some hangers, some ratchets, and a connecting cable. If you have more than one light, you string them together. This is the foldable design that Mars has. As you see, it was shipped folded and pre-assembled. Which, after just doing the Spider Farmer bar light, that one was actually, I had to assemble that one. So, but no complaints about it. The assembly and stuff is not really complicated. We got our plug-in wire, and then the light. Like I said, it was the foldable design, so it should be placed in the room like so. And then obviously the ratchets, when they're hooked, they're going to hold it open. And then you got the cable that hooks to the driver, which with the driver, it can ride on the bar, on the light. It should be able to. Yeah. Yeah, you can either use it inside the grow room and have the driver ride on the light, like so. Or in my instances, I'm using a small grow room, so I like to use it where I put the driver outside of the room to help from the heat stuff that comes off the driver to not be introduced into my room. Unnecessary heat, basically. So run my temperatures cooler, and it helps with the ventilation and stuff, so I can maintain the ideal temperature versus it getting too hot too fast, and I have to update my ventilation more. But like I said, this was the Mars FC4800. Looks like a really well built light. Like I said, I haven't had no experience with the FC series, so I'm going to be putting this into my autofire room here in just a minute, and just want to show everybody what it was and how it comes. So like I said, it's, for the most part, it's almost plug and play. And then if you're not going to use it, it folds up nice and neat, as you see, and can be stored pretty easily. And it's pretty safe, considering when it closes up, all the lights are inside of these bars, so you don't have to worry about any of the diodes being damaged in the course of being stored. You know, that is if you lose or you don't have room to keep the box, which I generally won't keep the box. But there it is. I want to thank Mars Hydro again. I'm going to get this put into use here right away. I want to thank everybody for watching and subscribing, and we'll catch you next time.